Millionaires don't look at motorhomes the way most people do. For them, it's never been about size, noise, or showing off. It's about control, privacy, and moving through the world on their own terms. And this motorhome was built with that exact mindset. From the outside, it doesn't try to look friendly or familiar. The sharp geometry, the deep olive body, the blacked-out glass, and the subtle golden light lines make it feel more like a private armored residence than a recreational vehicle. It's quiet in its confidence. Parked, it commands space. In motion, it feels deliberate, almost restrained, like something designed not to impress strangers, but to satisfy its owner every mile of the journey. Step inside, and the tone shifts instantly. The interior isn't divided into oversized rooms or dramatic open spaces. Instead, everything feels attached, continuous, and intentional, like a private residence compressed into motion. The lounge sits at the heart of the motorhome, designed not as a showpiece but as a living core. Compact seating wraps gently around the space, upholstered in warm neutral tones that balance the darker exterior. There's only one table, centered, grounded, and functional, with just enough surface for a drink, a book, or quiet conversation. Nothing floats unnecessarily, nothing feels staged. Soft champagne lighting traces the ceiling and walls, creating a calm atmosphere that feels closer to a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Tinted windows maintain privacy without isolating you from the world outside. From the lounge, the motorhome flows naturally into the bedroom, without doors or heavy separations breaking the continuity. This sleeping space is designed to feel protective rather than indulgent. The bed sits low and centered, with layered textures in gray and olive tones that echo the exterior without overwhelming the room. Lighting is gentle and indirect, tucked into ceiling details and beneath the bed platform, creating a sense of depth without brightness. The ceiling itself becomes part of the design, subtle curves, clean lines, and a warm glow that makes the space feel cocooned and calm. There's no excess here, but nothing feels missing. It's the kind of bedroom designed for uninterrupted rest, whether parked in silence or rolling through the night. Beside the sleeping area, the dressing zone is seamlessly integrated into the wall, not treated as a separate room but as a continuation of the architecture. Wardrobes sit flush, finished in olive tones with dark glass panels that partially reveal hanging clothes without exposing clutter. A compact vanity folds naturally into the design, complete with a softly lit mirror and a discreet stool that slides away when not in use. It's a space built for routine, getting ready without effort, without distraction, without wasted movement. Everything is within reach, and nothing breaks the visual calm. Moving forward, the kitchen reveals itself not as a luxury statement, but as a perfectly resolved working space. The galley layout keeps everything tight and logical. Dark cabinetry contrasts with warm stone surfaces, while subtle lighting under the cabinets highlights the workspace without glare. A built-in stove and compact sink sit naturally into the counter, with everyday items placed intentionally, cups, utensils, and appliances that make the space feel lived in, not staged. Across from the counter, a small two-seater dining setup uses stools instead of bulky chairs, keeping the footprint minimal while still allowing comfortable meals. It's not a chef's kitchen, and it doesn't try to be. It's a real kitchen, designed for movement, efficiency, and daily use. Tucked slightly away from the main living zones is the office, quiet, focused, and intentionally understated. A fold-out desk integrates into the wall, paired with subtle storage and controlled lighting that makes the space ideal for work without isolating you from the rest of the motorhome. It's not a corporate office or a design experiment. It's a place to think, write, plan, and disconnect from noise while still being connected to the journey. Privacy becomes even more important in the bathroom, and here the design makes no compromises. This is a fully enclosed micro cabin, sealed off by a solid sliding door that feels more architectural than functional. Inside, every inch is accounted for. Olive panels and stone textures soften the space, while black fixtures and bronze accents add quiet contrast. A compact shower sits neatly in one corner, paired with a floating vanity and a space-saving toilet positioned for comfort without excess. The lighting is calm and even, washing the walls and ceiling in a warm glow that makes the space feel larger than it is. It's not a spa pretending to be a bathroom, it's a real bathroom, built for privacy, function, and comfort on long journeys. For moments of recovery and stillness, the mini spa offers something rare in a motorhome: silence. Designed as a private wellness alcove rather than a feature space, it houses a single-user soaking basin set into warm stone finishes. The lighting here is intentionally subdued, with gentle underwater glow and soft ceiling illumination that encourages rest rather than stimulation. It's not about luxury theater, it's about decompression after movement, after decisions, after long days on the road. At the front, the cockpit completes the experience. This isn't a sporty driver's seat or a futuristic command pod. It's calm, horizontal, and reassuring. The dashboard stretches wide with minimal interruption, wrapped in warm materials that reduce visual noise. Controls are intuitive and discreet. Seating is comfortable without being aggressive, designed for endurance rather than adrenaline. The panoramic windshield opens the road ahead without exposing the driver to unnecessary distraction. It's a space built for confidence, not performance, where driving feels controlled, deliberate, and almost meditative. And then there's the reality of ownership. This motorhome isn't priced for comparison, and it's not built for mass production. It exists for a very small audience, those who already understand that true luxury is control, not display. This is a machine for millionaires and billionaires who prefer independence over schedules, privacy over attention, and design over excess. It's for those who don't ask where the road leads, because they already know they'll be comfortable wherever it goes. So the real question isn't whether you would travel in something like this. The question is, if it were waiting for you today, keys in hand, where would you take your private world first? If this journey spoke to you, stay with us. Like, share, and subscribe, because the future of luxury isn't parked in one place anymore.